Today is day 6. So today I have not done many things, but only I have done only GS part, GS and current affairs. I thought to study the optional part, but by that time I was exhausted and I was not able to complete that much. So coming to this GS part, today I learned about geography, monsoonal winds. So the monsoonal winds are, I'll just say the subtopics. So the monsoonal winds are nothing but trade winds which flow from the southern hemisphere to the northern hemisphere when they're in the rainy season, at approximately June 1st, when southern hemisphere gets highly when northern hemisphere gets highly heated up due to summer. So and in the southern hemisphere it is winter, so it is very cool. So here in the southern hemisphere high pressure, northern hemisphere low pressure, so winds move from southern to northern. This is when the Indian monsoon period starts. So the monsoonal winds are bisected into two parts: Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. So the Arabian Sea branch further gets uh, divided into three parts. One part goes and hits the Western Ghats. Another part goes in between Narmada and Tapi, and gives rise to one big river. I called Sabarmati river, I guess. Yeah, it is not mentioned here, but yeah, one river is created in the Madhya Pradesh region, so that is second branch. And the third branch goes from Gujarat to Jammu Kashmir, and it there there it gives rise to a new river which goes to Punjab and Haryana. So that is the third branch. So that is the Arabian branch. Coming to the Bay of Bengal branch, one branch goes to Myanmar and Thailand, that part, and there it turns to the left and goes to the northeastern part of our India. The second branch, so the second branch due to Garo Kashi Jayantia hills, these hills are in a cup shape, so they stop the winds, the second branch of winds. These winds give rise to the uh, two very big, what we call these two wettest places of earth. One is Cherrapunji and another one is Mausinram. Both are in Meghalaya. And the third branch moves parallel to the coast of Tamil Nadu and around Andhra and Odisha border. It hits majorly, it gives rains to Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh region, the third branch. So that is the monsoonal winds. Now coming to the retreating monsoonal winds, when the southern hemisphere gets low pressure and the northern hemisphere gets high pressure, then around October to December, that time then the winds flow from high pressure to low pressure, so it retreats from Himalayas and goes to Tamil Nadu. This is the only time when Tamil Nadu gets rain. Normally from June to September, Tamil Nadu won't get rain. Due to the retreating monsoons only Tamil Nadu gets rain. So that is the retreating monsoons coming. So we have discussed trade winds. Another is regional winds, which is nothing but monsoon winds. Third one is local winds. So local winds are divided into two types: warm local winds and cold local winds. So warm local winds, uh, in the warm local winds, it is all local winds are same only, just because they are in different places of our different places, they are called by different names. So in Northern America, the same wind is called as chinooks. In the Europe, the same wind is called as phones. So that is the thing. So chinooks and phones are air drainage type of winds. What it does is, in the Northern America chilly winters, these winds flow from hilltop to bottom into the valleys. They heat up the grass, so the grass get fresh, so that the cow or any wild animals can eat those grass. So that is why, um, that these chinooks are also called snow eaters. And similar type is phones also. And coming to Santa Ana is also in Northern America. In the desert, Mojave and Sonoran desert, the Santa Ana winds blow and they carry the heat, and they go to the um, Rocky Mountains, middle of the Rocky Mountains, and they hit the grasslands other side, which creates the natural forest fires in that region. So these are anabatic winds, harmattan's and Santa Ana. So harmattan's also is the same, but in harmattan's is in the northwestern African region. In the Guinea, the harmattans flow from Sahara Desert to the northwest Africa. So this is harmattan. So same, Sirocco's is also same. Sirocco's flow from Sahara to Algeria, and it goes to Europe. So those are the things. Similarly, I have also read about the cold local winds and the northwesters. These only I have in the GS part. So in the current affairs, I have learned about three main articles. One is this. There was a meeting in Colombo of the internal security advisors. It is actually, this meeting is for countering any non-traditional threats in this Indian Ocean region. Recently, Seychelles country has become member of this. So this article is very important. And the other article I have read is, okay, so the subsidy, solar subsidy, which is given till 1 kilowatt, 60% subsidy is given. If it exceeds to 2 to 3 kilowatts, another 40% subsidy is given under the PM Suryagar Muft Bijli Yojana. So these are the main articles and current affairs I have read. Let's see what happens.